Hello, students. Let's begin our social science class in continuation of NCRT Geography Chapter Agriculture. Today's content food security. This topic we have discussed in ninth class as a chapter in economics. India is the largest waster of food. This you know. Food security. First, we are going to discuss about the definition. A food situation that ensure its availability of adequate food to all citizens in the country, termed as food security. In order to ensure availability of food to all sections of society, our government carefully designed a national food security system. What is the government design? This we are going to discuss. A ration shop distributing ration which is collected by FCI. This is the picture. Now the two promises or components by government to ensure food security. It consists of two components. One is buffer stock and the second public distribution system, which is also known as PDS system. Buffer stock is the stock of food grain, mainly wheat and rice, through Food Corporation of India FCI, and then distributed in deficient areas through PDS system. Food Corporation of India FCI is responsible for procuring and stocking food grains, whereas distribution is ensured by public distribution system, which is known as PDS. This is one mark question. Public distribution system features, how it works. PDS is a program which provides food grain and other essential commodities at subsidized price in rural and urban areas. India's food security policy has a primary objective to ensure availability of food grains to the common people at an affordable price. And poor people also can purchase it. The FCI procures food grains from the farmers at the government announced minimum support price, which is known as an MSP. The government used to provide subsidies on agricultural input such as fertilizers, power, and water, so that all normal category farmers also can afford these modern farming practice. What are the disadvantages of this method? While the farmers are getting subsidies, it create a lot disadvantages to the environment. What are these disadvantages? Now we are going to see. Subsidies given by the government now reached unsustainable level. For example, अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. Excessive and imprudent use of fertilizers and water has led to the waterlogging, salinity, depletion of essential micronutrients in the soil. This is what the unsustainable level of the consuming modern techniques and more production in agriculture. The high MSP subsidies in input and committed FCI purchases have destroyed the cropping pattern. Wheat and paddy crops are being grown more for MSP they get. Punjab and Haryana are foremost example that has also created a serious imbalance in intercropping parties. How are consumer divided in PDS system? The consumers are divided into two categories: below poverty line BPL and above poverty line APL. One mark question. The issue price being different for each category means BPL category get the grain through the PDS system in low prices than above poverty line. But there is a problem with this. What are the drawbacks of this category? This category is not perfect and a number of deserving poor have been excluded from the BPL category. Moreover, some of the so called APL slip back to the BPL practically because of the failure of even one crop, and it is administratively difficult to accommodate such slips. How can we become self sufficient in food grain production? If government provide proper agricultural infrastructure, credit linkage, and also encourages the use of latest techniques, then we can improve the food grain production. Instead of concentrating only on rice and wheat, the food crop with the better growth potential in the particular area must be encouraged. Creation of necessary infrastructure like irrigation facilities, availability of electricity may also attract private investment in agriculture areas. The focus on increasing food grains production, which should be on a sustainable basis. Free trade in grains will create massive employment and reduce poverty in rural areas. What is the future of India's food security system? There has been a gradual shift from cultivation of food crops to cultivation of fruits. This has led to the reduction in net sown area under cereals and pulses. With the growing population of India, that declining food production puts a big question mark over the country's future food security. If the people are not growing wheat, rice, and maize and other thing which is mostly consumed in the population, then what is the future of population, where we are, from where we are going to feed? The competition for land between non-agricultural uses such as housing etc and agriculture has resulted in reduction in the net sown area. Net sown area means where the crop is produced by the farmer on a piece of land from continuously every year, two or more crop grown by the farmers. It is reduced due to the construction of house and other sort of thing. The productivity of land has started showing a declining trend. Fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides, which one should dramatic results, are now being held responsible for degrading the soil. Periodic scarcity of water has led to reduction in a area under irrigation. By the table you can compare what production we get from the agriculture in 2006 and 7, and now somehow it is increased, but a rate of population increase in a more rapid manner. So we need to think about that, how we provide food to the ever growing population. Conclusion: the big farmers with deeper tube wells still have water, but many other face water crisis. Inadequate storage and marketing facility also act as an uh, disincentive to the farmers. Thus, the farmers are badly affected by the uncertainties of the production and market. They suffer from double disadvantage as they pay high prices for input such as HYV, seeds, fertilizer, but lack to the bargaining power to the fixed price in their favor. The higher the supply, the lower the demand. This causes distress sales. Therefore, there can be no food security without the security of the small farmers. Question related to the topic. I have given number of 1 mark question that can be completed, like these all five question, 1 mark. All right, listen video carefully, keep your book, you can complete all this. Then few more question, you just go through with this all and complete with the help of NCRT book according to the question demand. This is what for today's work. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.